Exciting announcement. BUMS new airdrop. Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the BUMS airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. BUMS token price forecast and growth outlook. The BUMS token shows strong potential driven by rising player engagement and positive market dynamics. Here's our price projection at key milestones. Time frame projected price. Initial listing, Q4 2024 $0, 05. 3 months post-listing $0, 15. 6 months post-listing $0, 35. 1 year post-listing $0, 80. Why BUMS token could soar. 1. Rapid user growth. As more players dive into the BUMS universe, demand for BUMS tokens, BUMS coins, is expected to rise steadily, fueling price appreciation over time. 2. Deflationary mechanics. With regular token buybacks and burns, BUMS tokens circulating supply will shrink. This deflationary model, combined with growing demand, is designed to support long-term price growth. 3. Market momentum. Cryptocurrency market sentiment plays a big role. In bullish phases, BUMS token stands to gain accelerated momentum. Even in slower markets, strong fundamentals can sustain its upward trajectory. 4. Strategic partnerships and listings. Upcoming partnerships and broader exchange listings will increase BUMS tokens' visibility and accessibility, encouraging wider adoption and bolstering its value. 5. Thriving community power. An active, passionate BUMS community will be central to driving awareness, user activity, and investment, all crucial for sustaining the token's climb. Price milestone breakdown. Initial listing, Q4 2024 launch price set at $0, 05. A solid entry for early backers. 3 months in, enhanced engagement and new collaborations could lift the price to $0, 15. 6 months in, with ecosystem expansion and deeper player participation, the token may hit $0, 35. 1 year in, late 2025 strong community backing, strategic growth, and tokenomics may propel BUMS token to a projected $0, 80. Get ready to unlock daily rewards and maximize your earning potential. The BUMS Lottery Daily Combo lets players win exclusive prizes using special daily codes. By participating regularly, you not only enhance your in-game progress but also accumulate more BUMS coins, potentially increasing both your game's success and real-world token value. Play daily, win big, and watch your earnings grow. BUMS is a popular Telegram minigame that combines fun gameplay with strategic character progression. Players can earn rewards through tapping, unlocking upgrades, and completing daily challenges. The game's use of BUMS coins and BUMS tokens allows players to accelerate their progress while influencing the market price of the tokens. As interest in the game and its ecosystem grows, the value of the BUMS token is expected to rise. This article explores the projected price prediction of the BUMS token, highlighting key factors that may affect its future value. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the BUMS in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. **